Hi there, and for today's video, we are going to show you how to use Microsoft Forms to create a quiz. So now, select the option Quiz. Then, in order to proceed with your quiz, give it a name. Suppose I am naming it a science quiz. Then, you can add a description if you want. For now, I am skipping it. Then, click on Quick Start With. Here, you will be able to add the type of question you want to add. For now, I am selecting choice. Then, I am giving my question. Here, I am giving the answer for two options. Now, if you want to add more option, click on the add option and simply put your answer. Let's say in your question there are two answers. So in order to get two answers, you have to turn on the option multiple answers and select the answers that are right. So that's for one question. And if you want to add the new question, simply click on this. You'll be able to see the same options as the previous one. Let's select choice again. And then you will be able to see the same interface and do your adequate responses and questions. Now, in order to change the settings of the quiz, simply click on this. And in order to make a start date and an end date, basically deadline, click on this. And you will be able to set your deadline. You can set a time duration. Suppose we are doing it for 1 hour. It has already been 30 minutes. So let's select 60 minutes. Now, if you have many questions and you want to shuffle the questions, simply click on this too. Then, when someone uses your quiz and answers your quiz fully, and you want a notification knowing that someone has fulfilled the quiz and you want a response in your email, select this option. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video and make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification for our channel.